Hiding plan for this. But I'm not dying yet. If I know my man of your man, he's like balanced diet. Has to be a success. My mom by him, but they call me their safe. Turn me to a slave in the city.
Okay, a marriage of money without the couple.
Yes. Yeah, for
well, what's the judgment? What okay.
Maybe I'm going to my shop.
That's why you for me. That's why you for them. Oh, God, what okay, but working about I got you. I was smoke burning. When best no we marriage.
Just enter, obey. Just obey.
For what? Our mommy make for 3 days. My brother will go. Make a call. You just feel relaxed at home while you lie while we need your FFM. What are you talking about?
Yeah, you go in that big business. I was thinking that way business to finish up.
Where we were Tana? Are you normal? What you wear my fashion? What's on tonight? Then what waiting we gonna travel for 3 days? Let me tell you something. If you don't eat what I'm aware of,
that was thinking.
Why not for all? Please, 2 days in the end of one. Go and look for comment and look for one. Oh yes, the other come and tell me if we want money, what we money. The application won't see me everything. Madam, don't let me suspect you in anything.
No, don't suspect.
Our money, you are bad at it. I'm a married for 2 days. Oh, one.
I don't think you will.
Right, go on.
Hey, we take it, make it go to your Canadian. Hey, what's all this? We are going to walk in on here now. What is this one here? You go into where to move in trouble. Hey, but go into one man. Hey, you come out here. Oh, God. Okay. Yeah, case when you are the police station. Near the media house, near the port. We want woman.
He was where he. Don't you know you took come? Or he was where he.
Daddy! Are you serious? The secretary! You not go to the man, go late. Drive the car.
I can't drive the car.
Go to her work.
Daddy, wait.
Are you winner?
Daddy, wait. I can't drive the car.
Next 2 hours, I will stop you. You come my way, Muria, worry. Don't let me go, you home.
I don't understand, Daddy.
Come.
Honey.
Daddy.
Jump! Out!
I can't drive.
Honey, what is it?
Black question. In my world.
Daddy.
In my world.
Honey, please, what is it?
Hey!
Honey, please,
Come now, please.
Honey,
please.
Drive the car and go to work.
I can't
I'll be next to go of this couple. In my world.
Daddy, wait.
In my world. Ekpo. I'll be next to go.
Daddy, wait.
Black West. Go, you are fired. Black Wesson. Black Wesson. Yes. I'm representing Ago.
Ma, your dad is mad.
Hey! Hey!
Honey,
Hey!
madness.
Shut!
Mad.
Shut!
Daddy, wait. We have to do something. Daddy. Mommy, we have to do something. Mommy.
the car. Enter the car, let's go.
Mommy, I have to do something. Daddy, wait.
Enter the car, let's go. Enter the car, let's go.
Daddy.
They try to press me down, but it may is that thing. Ha! Or yeah, he was where he. Don't you know you too calm? Or he was where he. Ha! Or yeah, he was where he. You are acting like a fool. He was where he.
Come on, come on. Where would I? No, what good one I've been ahead. I want. A book more than a book more. Ah, anyway, I'll get it one magnet. Anyway, will you?
We'll look at Bomber. Madame, Madame, you tell me. Madame, una dey owe me salary 2 months. Na never pay me. My pikin nowhere. He dey sick well. I no see money take carry am go hospital. I beg, madam, una pay me.
Salary? What is wrong with you? My husband didn't give me any money before he fell sick. I'm not even man. What where?
Oga tell me, say make I ask you, say you go pay me. What time am I marry? You know we dey go where I dey.
Madam, listen. Oh wait. Are you mad? So if your children is sick, am I the cause of their sickness?
Why
you don't know? You work on your children are sick. Must I me here go boy on. Idiot. Smelling good. Nonsense.
Which can work with this now? Which can work? Huh? Better person go they work, you know they receive salary. I see we know they work better pass this one now. Huh? But now when we now, I'm going and then you go and not be saying now you get the money. I bet me could pay me my salary. May I come up for you? Which can't be this?
Fana. Why? You say no be me get the money. Now your mama get.
Now maybe this. Better for you. The way you said do me so, God will ask you. Oh! God! The way you said do me so. God!
I see what you doing. Lost me here and that woman.
You don't see me, oh.
Take out here. Go better.
You don't see me, you don't see my body.
I see water. Now water.
God.
Don't go better. That woman. Now go better woman. No, you get those.
Oh, yeah, what?
Hey. Now so do that.
Oh.
No worry.
I'm going to ask you. You
go ask her where. Hello, we my where. Go better woman.
Hey.
You poor dog, best body.
No go better for her.
Amen. Don't go sick or be. Don't talk. You know better for her. Wow, good.
But it may is that thing. Or yeah, he was where he. Don't you know you too calm? Or he was where he. Or yeah, he was where he. You are acting like a fool. He was where he. Okay, he was where he. Okay, he was where he. Yeah. Why you not want to get my
baby, dance for me.
Dance for me.
Everybody dance for me.
Oh, baby. I must say, you are where.
Uncle.
Where do you go? If you go, baby, I get money. I want this money to blend to you. Mo go near back parlor, mo go drink. I get money.
You get money?
Yes.
I will give like 200 naira.
Baby, I'm serious. You want to want me?
Where did they move?
Go flexing, go club, mo go drink.
If you be rag bijou. Uncle! Hey! You never go down! I said, go down! They must your papa, they crazy. So you don't fear. Listen, see, now we dey here. Now we dey run this town. So you don't fear. You won't chop what you don't belong to your baby. You dey mad! You dey go down! Put yourself. So you don't fear. understand.
Come. What did they walk you? No. Bring him up. You want torture? For this country. Who you be?
Put your shirt. Chris, your father. Put your shirt. Who that did Chris? Why can't they go that boy? Shower.
You know the fear. You want chop frog with big pass you. Huh? Where did they walk you?
No.
Who be this boy?
I want to this guy now.
You know the fear. Open your mouth.
Open up. Oh yeah, now so. Oh yeah, flash over here. Father, where were they mad? Man, see me.
Baby.
They call me a spirit. You got no double crossing me. Your matter na 6 feet. You when me know where.
So I see the matter, boss. The guy be one for my hand, but when I show and create, he confirm say I be confirm be nigga. Wow. You know I too. So. When me I bring us some people. Oh Zara. Oh here why?
Boss. This small boy say one see boss.
Hey, look at this. What did happen? What be this?
You gotta talk, what did they want to do?
You not get respect for us.
What did happen? Come on.
You know talk. You know so tired, man.
Hey, you don't do. I'll give the small boy blood pressure. You won't see me.
Yes, boss.
You won't see me. You know me. You don't know who I be and you won't come see me. It's allowed, yeah. I'll tell you who I be. Now me that they call spirit. You see Jesus Christ, where they write for inside Bible. Now my cousin, all of us grow for the same house. He says they write about him for Bible. They're supposed to write about me too. But because of bad belly, you see this one I call bad belly? You don't take when you start. Now bad belly make them no write about me. But all the same, I be Messiah. And they solve people problem. So tell me, you don't miss spirit. The great spirit.
Oh God spirit.
The problem solver. Tell me your problem, I'll solve her.
My problem, my father just get money. I want to money go rubber.
Shut up!
I know you're that one, beg. I know you're that. Iman honey, what?
The bat.
What's that line?
Who be this boy?
Go! The bat. Make we rob your father. So you know blood by look me. Who say you come here? You. Wait, if you don't tell me for no this, but I go lie to you another. Wait for people. That's not baby. I don't know. You don't for Karako.
Hey, Baba, relax here. See this guy for real. Let's see clear small.
We're sure. Well, your hands.
You know the guy me say you use that brother look me.
Oh, not be like that.
You know what I be politician? You know what I be senator? You the bat? You the Chris? I go kill you now. Who say you come here? They give me this kind of question.
You what did they worry you?
Not clear.
Abeg. Mona, calm down. I don't resist this smally face. My spirit. Abeg, calm down. Abeg. Small guy, I sabi the guy face.
We're sure.
I don't see the face. He beg in we home.
Becky, you know what?
I know the guy.
God save you.
The story be say I don't first room shows. Father, back.
It's okay.
But the small guy they trash. I they read better information.
Becky. I trust you when you are.
So bad down low like that.
Papa, he reach past richness. He a fake, but I fake.
Okay. Just dey thank your star say she identify you. Just dey thank your star say she don't run your father before. You know say na good thing to run your father. Just dey thank yourself. You want more rob your father? Yeah. You wear t-shirt of 120. If you want to be price, you buy 65 naira. Eh? So you be rich man picking. How much you dey talk, sir?
20 million.
20 what?
Come, not gonna find my for my boss though. You sure wait? I want to wait now.
Hey, wait. See, look me well, oh. Look me well. They dey call me spirit for nothing, oh. They call me spirit for nothing. You hear me? Your father get 20 million. 20 million. You want more rob 20 million? What is 20 million day?
Yes. Not gonna find my for my boss though. I don't know 20 million.
Your father keep 20 million naira for house. Now house you keep am. Your father get 20 million cash for house for this regime. You know better for your papa. You know better for your papa. For this regime, when people they suffer, 20 million cash, and you see them.
Yes.
But I must ask you, because I may be spirit, I will support bad thing. Why you want more go rob your papa? Why?
Because my father never take care of us. We always spend money in here. They carry them and change.
I'm gonna kill you. Give it. Yes, shop your papa money. No happy. They mad. You carry guests.
So it don't go better for you. Oh, because my girl thought you don't run your papa before. You call it taste like the true stone. Aye? You know what made them run your papa? You know what made them run your papa? Only your mother do your papa for. You dey crazy? You can't talk girls because the girls they spend money for girls. No, your partner. If you just spend money for rock, behave. In case we go, how much? How want us share the money?
We share 50-50.
The Chris.
Huh? The mad.
Okay, sir.
Wait. We'll share on 50-50. Now if we collect 20 million, you now go collect 10 million. Then we, you see this card is there. We never see us finish. We'll make the plans like this. We'll come share 10 million. Only you go collect 10 million. Then we congregation, we be church. As we many reach, we share 10 million. You know better for you, say amen. Greed. When they kill your papa, go kill you, say amen.
Amen.
God go punish you. You them mad? You them from the spirit, they talk say we go share 10 million with you. You ever say when I did your age, I don't get bank account. Now 4 years ago, that be the first time I count 10,000. What you know they use money do? Huh? Oh, you want to start to the wrong women too as your father they do. Now what is your plans? I like you, no make it just for you. Spirit like you. The spirit like you, now good thing. So what you will do be say, based on the likeness, inside the 20 million, I'll give you 1 million.
No, we're going to take 1 million. You say,
yes. Oh, good, mama, your head. Oh, you go kill your father yourself. You are going out of our way. Yeah,
you know, give 1 million. Okay. Based on the likeness, because I still like you. I like you. Spirit like you. Spirit like you, a very good thing. Spirit like you. I'll give you 3 million.
No, boss. No. 3 million too big now.
3 million too small, boss. 3 million too small. Bam.
3 million small.
You don't see that that's small. If I heard you, what wrong?
3 million small.
Too small, boss.
It's small.
Yes.
For you. You this small boy, why they look so? If they plan to build plaza, they see like that, Chad. They see like that. But it should be your fault. No be your fault. Me when they open my tell you saying that 10,000. The 4 years ago, now I count 10,000. And they offer you for your age. You see the secondary school, they offer 3 million. And I may spoil you. I swear. And I may just spoil you. No be your fault.
That's your boss.
I be spoiler. Spirit the spoiler. That one good. See, I want conclude. Once spirit conclude, spirit don't they change in mouth. You they hear me? See that 3 million, I no give you again. We'll go in our house. The 20 million, anywhere where your papa hide them, we'll collect them and we'll go kill your papa.
a boss there.
I will not go give you anything.
It's a chair, it's a boss.
Because he's greedy. When you were still in secondary school, they look for 3 million.
It's a bag.
We'll kill your papa. I
don't
understand this one.
They break everywhere, boss. Arrange yourself.
You know, so give me 5 million. Bro, so they still put to the job to the they can't even
make 5 million.
On my pussy, no about that thing. All of the way now.
This was still negotiate.
If I give you the 5 million, you'll be better.
This was still negotiate. Oh, spirit be like market where you negotiate. Come back, mama, you come back. Then they negotiate killing, you the crazy. No wala. I hear you. Monoki Opa big. Yes. Monoki Opa. Mo give you 5 million. 5 million.
See fire.
You fit cut 5 million. You get 5 million. What? How you go away?
Hey, where you? It's money. Oh yeah.
They call me a spirit. You got no double crossing me. Your matter na 6 feet. You when me know where so put a
boss. I beg the queen. No gree. Gree for them.
Why they talk like this? Princess, why they talk like this? Like I said today, you know me spirit. Me, gree. Okay, but I tell all of you now. I don't tell your guy. Say before they build anything for that land, I must collect 5 million.
Confirm.
5 million must complete. And the man don't agree. The man tell me anytime we're ready to collect the money, make I come collect her. I call it to me.
Hello? Yes. Who be this? Huh? Oh, Obe. Yeah.
Ogbe, you dey mad? I could just come tell me say we get to come pick up 20 million. Call the delay us, so we don't prepare finish. Even now today we supposed to strike in the craze. What's happen? Bank. Your party carry the 20 million, go bank. How? What okay. Momo will strike now. How go take get am? You never come up for okay, you go still come up for us. Okay, wait. We'll collect the money, correct boy. Correct boy, then they come now. I beg we call now. Oh boy, don't carry 20 million, go bank and Papa go to come up for house. Eji, go organize the girls then, collect everything. When I go collect the 20 million, call our money. Now, I see you. Time no
see you guys.
See, Fighter.
Yeah. Baba,
you and Princess. Now go meet your girl. Those people won't build for that land. When I tell her that me send you now.
Correct.
Make give her the 5 million. The 5 million our money.
Correct.
I don't want you to say me so. Correct. 5 million. Now they hear me. Okay, now they move as I see now. You come down now.
If the money no correct, I want to come back.
When I come down now with the money.
They call me a spirit. You got no double crossing me. Your matter na 6 feet. You when me know where so put a film trick. I ain't playing with you. Cause when I halele work too. I'm a spiritual and then I be me have a BSU. But you ain't make him messed up on when he men are Bible. I'm gonna steal your joy. Who got me a soup. Vienna go like jam before I blow my whistle. I thought I want you. When my baby rock, I know you too. I am a Yazala spirits, they want you.
I'm not telling you that, eh?
Where's money? Where's money?
There is no money.
Hey, listen to me.
There is no money.
Hey, listen. Now we're there here. You understand? I don't say come. Where's the money?
There is no money.
Where is the money?
There is no money.
Okay.
Get the money out there. You carry the what the word is.
If I talk, no way. Where's Sarah? I need to go.
There is no money.
If in the next 1 minute, I said, where's the money?
There is no money.
Okay, now you want to tell me, right?
You
want to tell me, right?
There is no money.
Where's the money? You think I'm here to talk? Where's the money?
Is it my car? Women for.
What's money? Aha! That's what I'm talking about. Yes, Edove. We go. You bring it on time. Yes, let's go.
Becky! Becky! Oh, women. Becky, women for. Becky! Yeah, way. Who do you go no me obome? Una wa do vie ma re ni ado ya mi o me. Becky la ya way.
Uheme, unwe magwe gbe yegbe. Una ya su eni me. now. What's the you?
You need to stop now.
Why you kill that man?
Staya. Hey, money. Why think for me, ban? Let's play.
They call me a double crossing your matter na 6 feet. You when me know we Sokuta ye film trick. I ain't playing with you, cause when I halele work too. I'm highly spiritual and then I be me have a BSU. Or you ain't make him messed up on when he menere babu. I'm gonna steal your joy who got me su. Vieneri go la jam before I blow my whistle.
My guy, they don't know say that we stay here. They don't know say that we they run this town. That's the grace. Because say the current grey over the phone, we say no, the grey on here pay. You know where we run things, things don't run us. Then the story is that say why
everywhere boss.
Now we stay here. I don't feel like this so far. Then they pray. Oh, good afternoon. Now welcome.
Hey, waiting.
I say go down. I think you talk your dish. You don't even chill. I don't understand. Waiting they happen. Which guys get? Waiting they happen.
I look for now.
Okay. So now because they look for our God, I'm not good job. Come on, that we not for you.
I'm not talk like that. I say I want to see you now.
They tell you for us. I beg, relax. Make you stop it up. Come here, but for the come do anyhow. Our God busy in there on call now. What's happen? See.
What kind of point? You want that? You want that?
Beg. Look now, move this. And now where we?
Don't do. I will not make noise.
Madam. Okay, good afternoon.
Madam, what happened?
I will see you.
You won't see me. I know you before.
I don't tire. No.
And you won't see me.
I will see you.
You sure?
Yes, I will see you.
No problem.
No.
Come. Come over see.
What you do? Come see your guy.
Oh, you better not buy any man okay ni taveki.
When you yakan, you walk well. Because you yakan, Say you want my tower, boy. Let's see happen.
Madam, say what happen?
Oga, I beg no vessel. Say I disturb you. Now where I dey work, I be cleaner. I dey work follow one man. So the man now, he can't give my madam money. Make she take pay me. But as I dey talk to you, the woman don't pay me. She don't pay me. My pikin no well in the hospital. As me they told to you, so my pikin he died because he don't pay me. I don't see money to take care of my pikin in hospital.
Madam, wait. I never understand. So you come meet me now, make I give you money.
No.
To come meet your pikin for hospital.
No, Oga.
So what do you want make I do for you?
What I want me to do for me, Oga? These people when me they tell you so they get money. As me they talk to you so they get 25 million naira for house. Now every person they bring money come out so but they don't they give person. Now say me I can't tell you when I go collect the money from her. Then later I'll go collect my share. No this.
Madam, in case you know I will tell you. You see person they talk so now they call spirit. I be Jesus Christ cousin. Now me and I grew for the same house. You hear me?
Yes.
There's no right about me for Bible, but now Bible make them remove me. Person don't they like give spirit to because spirit go kill you.
No, Oga, not talk like.
You see 25 million naira with your eye for the house.
He did. He only whatever.
And they don't pay you your own money.
They don't pay me.
And your pikin they sick.
He dey sick, he don't die. He dies and he don't.
No, so that they do. Wicked people. No worry, See, God get reason why he creates me. Now me, God will just give you justice. See that money? I go help you collect her. And I go give you better share.
You do well, sir.
Don't worry.
God bless you.
Now maybe spirit. Spirit know they promise make you fail. Spirit know they lie. I be Jesus cousin. Jesus they lie.
No, they lie.
So I no go lie, give you madam.
Okay, thank
no
you.
worry. Okay, what will be the address of the place? What will be the address of the place?
Why I don't
And the face
will not be like a fool. Who pays you?
What do I go on? You understand?
Your boy now.
Wait, be say your papa, he know me.
If I not kill your papa, you don't say he go involve me. Any other time you have a police arrest, oh, don't move me. No.
With yourself and yourself, not be you carry your hand to your papa.
No.
Don't do. You don't do all of that. All of them make noise like this. I don't forget to say in the hotel. I don't like Amo. I beg. You why come here and shout anyhow? What's happened?
But I saw I'm gonna collect my papa. I'm not gonna kill him.
Stop.
Let him get to talk with that. You were supposed to come here with goats, come here with bag of rice and drink. Say I'm picking your papa. But don't be content say your papa will take care of now. And I promise you, if you don't forget, I'll tell you. Me spirit. You don't forget that me, Jesus Christ cousin. I promise you, say I will kill your papa. Yes, Jesus Christ a lie.
Because I know someone that kill my papa. Who won't take care of me? He's a day alive now. He will see they take care of me.
Why you can't expect make Jesus Christ cousin lie? I'm not lying. I tell you I will kill your papa. I don't kill him. You were supposed to be happy and say you don't inherit everything. House, everything. Do your passport burial. Make us get plenty money. Invite us to conflict with you. You can't tell me say I kill your papa. You're very ungrateful. Jesus Christ don't forgive you. That's how I go.
But give me a shame to go.
Give me
I don't understand.
If I money, then come on here.
In short, I swallow Vespa. For use. Hey!
They accuse Jesus Christ cousin. Any of your family enter for Bible before. You know better for you. Yes. Muna forget this idiot. Muna forget that. Now you hear me, Muna calm down. Another business just center now. Down at 25 million naira.
It's a church.
And they come back.
Before I blow my whistle. I thought I warned you. When my memory of Pana, you know you have to. I am a Yazalaton spirit, they warn you. Have you ever remember your head got turned to a slave in the city? Slave in the city. No, my me, no, me, he went me, no, ya so slave in the city. Slave in the city. Who let no master of when I get a game? Where are the city? Oh, yeah, the city. No, my me, no, me, he
what do we do?
Bonjour. Bad guy. Ekwa se wo nyeme ni a. Bi wo na mo no na.
Ah mama, wa agbira mi, ma dede wa lek, wa agbira mi e. Eri ma ya agria.
Yes. Ene no guni. Ele do ya sweat be na. No be na ka go. Maria be. Erio mo be jawe jowa, me no jira jowa na.
They call me a spirit. You got no double crossing, man. Your matter na 6 feet. You when me know where Sokuta ye be film trick. I ain't playing with you, cause when I handle work too. I'm not a spiritual and then I be me have a peso. But you ain't make him messed up on when he men are babu. I'm gonna steal your joy. Who got me a su. Vieneri go la jam before I blow my whistle. I thought I warned you. When my memory rock now you know ya too. I am a Yazalaton spirit, they warn you. Have you ever mama ever your head got turn you to a slave in the city? Slave in the city.
Yeah, wait there. You go in there.
Uruwa. You don't know me. Bogia.
O vena to vagun. Ne ya si afira yo megbe e na rule adio wa ni do gba mesa won.
Wo se na.
E ba ero.
E ba ero na.
La ori me ni e.
Pa ka wa de ba no ke ho a.
Ya ka e ne.
E yo na.
Ye gumedia.
Ge na.
O me no rilo ori o kedo ade. E o ga fiama o.
Wa ki.
O eri obi egekere ade. Ime ihe mo teme. Ya se gbobi me ihe mi aro barokpa. O ge me wori o. Ete gbe otie mene. Ote ebe gbe obesema. Me magi him o ya me we to iti me.
Me tebe mu e o nane. O iro bi ga khere ade na mai ve mi. Yo e na me tebe atama we.
Omo. We no gi je na. Ahwe ya ne mo e.
We se na.
Onyo emi o ka oni aka wa ahwe. La ze ke ri ba e me. Yo salo bo e ya be mi o fe.
Yeah, boss. See, we have a nice deal this time around. And we are going to Ibadan.
Ibadan?
Yes. A very nice clue. The guy just give me confirmed talk. 50 million is involved. Yes. But the guy say he will collect you 15 million.
Ah! No. On the only man day now.
Hey, I wish on your high share again, man. That's real.
Mama, check it now. 50 million. No, that was too big now. Only for long big now. Ah, no. Ah, that go be like my body walk. Hey, stop there. Move this one. Come here. Come here.
No, I don't
Come here.
I don't move.
Confirm that guy.
Come
Confirm
here.
that guy.
Stop this guy.
Now let me one.
You dey Chris?
Now let me one. Now let me one, bros. I don't want wrong.
Take it, come here. Hey, down there.
Hey,
Hey, you don't do more than leave am. Hey, leave am. Oh, what you do?
I not they do anything.
Why me at the matter?
No, I not. Bros, I know you. Imam robber.
Shut up. What you hear?
Bros, good evening. Good evening, sir.
I mean, I waste this boy.
Hey,
you no go better for you. Who be sir? I know you before.
No best, bro.
Who be sir?
Good evening, sir.
What do you do for you?
I know they go anywhere. I want to become sleep.
You no get house where they sleep.
No, sir.
You won't come sleep for where they pack iron. Now here they sleep. You be thief.
No best, sir.
So you don't get everything. So
I swear to God, I don't hear anything.
You dey come sleep on top. You dey come sleep on
I
top.
don't hear anything. I don't hear.
If you talk again, the slap I'll give you, it go affect your members where they dey. I say be thief.
I swear to God, I don't be thief. I don't be
If you don't be thief, why you go come sleep on top iron? You don't get house. Where your house?
They pursue me for house.
Oh, your family pursue for house because they don't say you be thief. They don't make you spoil the family name.
I know the thief. No.
not your kids
You go talk to. E good like that. Listen, make I tell you. Now people like you they look for. You see us? Now be the vigilante wey dey guard this estate. For the past 2 months, now armed robbers don dey disturb us on this estate. You be one of the armed robbers. And you go take us. You go take us. Go show us your members today.
Nah, let me one.
Oh, the only you one dey rob.
No.
Na one man gang.
I don't dey thief. No be me. I don't dey do like that. Na let me dey waka.
The only you one dey waka. When the time reach, you go tell us true. Now people like you make the estate people say make they guide this estate. God don punish you today. Hey, if this guy make any move, make shoot am.
No, bro, I know the thief.
If you call me bros again, if you call me bros again, I go show you wetin be bros.
Sorry, bro. Sorry, sir.
Shut up!
Our boy. Ready?
No wahala. You know wetin go happen? As e dey so, I don tell you say we be vigilante. Na who dey watch this area. So everywhere wey we dey go this night, na so you go follow us. None of us go do the vigil together. You dey hear me?
I dey hear you. I dey hear you.
Try escape. Your life don finish. Just keep quiet there today. So keep quiet. Shh. If you go show us your members, we'll go kill you.
Get away with me and my water, Lord. You hate him. He may rob us. Okay, shut up.
Arrange yourself.
Shut up.
Hey, Black. How far? Yeah, he's sexy Black. Everything on set. You know what I want you to do for me? Make you and Becky meet us for roundabout. Make every other person pin down. Yes. Only you and Becky wanna meet us for roundabout. Every other person made a pin down.
Straight up.
Correct.
Idiot.
Will they come now? Hey, rise this arm robber! Rise this
I don't get up.
Come on.
Get up.
Movement. March on.
Movement.
Stop. Come.
Just behave like say nothing dey happen. Match and this way for come in case they're many. In case they're many, we'll see catch him.
Arrange.
Call me a spirit, you got no double crossing, man. Your matter na 6 feet. You when me know it, so put a film trick. I ain't playing with you, cause when I halele work too. I'm a spiritual, and then I be me have a BSU. But you ain't making me stop on when you menere babu. I'm gonna steal your joy, who got me su. Vieneri go la jam before I blow my whistle.
No, what you get now, Swasso, begin a shot. Call him that way. See?
Mama, it's your water. Abego. Mama, I want to go there. Wala wo.
See? Hey, what is it? What day? Mona control that one for you.
Any pen?
Matter what day? Yes.
Order.
Let it go. Let it go. Where's the money?
Wag bebe o America kina me wala.
Yo pa kunu e.
I go west this woman. Any pen. No.
What go? Confirmation time. That's so. Now we there here.
I'll still kill this woman.
I'll kill this woman. Boss, that the money be that. Now we there here. Let it crazy. Everybody confirm everything there. Everywhere clear.
Confirm that money.
Your father. Voila. Oyana. Everything they wear.
Madam love you. Madam love you.
Give me the money back.
Now.
Yak go for that one.
Where's the woman? I don't want.
You look my face. No. Don't look my face. No. Please match your head. I'll kill this woman. No.
If you move, I'll move you. DJ, not be me.
Shut him up.
Only stand away first. I stand first. I'll shoot you. I don't pay. There's a criminal. You have to pay first. I don't dare, not be me. Hey! I'll shoot you.
Walking at it.
Amen.
Not be me.
Not be you. Where?
Not be me, mommy, not be me. I never know before. Imagine man, I had to not be that. I know you.
It's the land now. What go talk? Teacher, I want information in my yard, man.
I'm winner. I know you. Oh God, not be me.
I only say like a banana here to okay.
I best know that.
Oh, how many go man? I go now.
Not be me.
Right.
I get now.
Move this criminal out of here. Move him.
Not be me. Not be you.
Come on. Not be you.
Madam, report to the station first thing tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
Move.
Madam,
what to see you tomorrow morning?
What to who? Come me.
Hey.
Mama, what you want? Why you going out the
Oriago, he was working. Don't you know you too come? He was working. Oriago, he was working. You are acting like a fool. He was working. Okay, he was Oriago king. Okay, he was Oriago king. Yeah, why you not want to be my people? I'm not going to jury my jury. I'm not going to war jury. I'm one. As a bummer, I'm messy. Are you want?
The world is mine. Final curse, where do we go?
No me we no me he me no ya so slave in the city. Ule no masuga bona ye ala no go matia we no mega the city necessity. They want to recolonize my thinking. They lack of go matia something is fishing. But so quickly
Now tell me again. Wahi. Efe. Efe. Ike me no sunde. Efe. Wahi.
Black question. Black question.
Efe Wahi.
Umota sana boss.
Efe.
I'm not doctor to treat you. If you touch me, you touch virus. I'm the next doctor to treat you.
Benamini.
I'm a qualified doctor.
Efe, what's your name you egbe?
From America to Torino. From Torino to Africa. From Africa to Nigeria.
Yes.
To Nigeria.
Yes.
To Idogbo.
Rame no sude.
Rame Idogbo.
Efe,
Hey! Idogbo to Ogwa. Hey! I will treat you. I'm a qualified doctor to treat you. If you touch me, virus. If you not crazy, wait till we get. I will treat you. I'm a qualified doctor. I will treat you. If you touch me, virus. Qualified doctor. From Idogbo to Ogwa. If we not crazy, wait till we get. Tally. Yes. Hey. If we not crazy, wait till we go. Tally. Hey. Yes. The surgeon. We open it. 7 for this side. I can get. Share it. Hey. If we not crazy, wait till we go. Hey.
Arowa.
Ali, break my door.
La kirome. Ko. Iyan. Oyi megwa lo. Mo ere gumedia, Mr. Ekato.
Papa gumedia.
Meno.
Hey, Papa gumedia. My head be like this.
Go.
Wait, I have to go. Wait to make it on one.
Hey, Mata.
Big dog. Ozubu. Big dog. Imade. No.
Manda ko.
Dam.
Iyan obowa.
Tanu gwalo.
Gumedia gwalo, mo ere gumedia. Mr. Ekato.
Say na be Papa gumedia.
Ere gumedia.
Mo ere gumedia.
So, wa no go where no do me go wana 25 million.
Jesus wa mi dan. 25 million. Agwa oyinera. Why na mi? Ira. Oh, me. Obi me.
Ariwe. Abowo na mi enia. Le father la son. Egbe o si papa lo bi ezin o.
Eye. La gume la wa ni mi oyima o.
Anyagwa.
La ho.
Owe. Ore police station.
Ijene.
Na mi no sunbi. O je wa do se ni o yare ma.
Ije. Ideba. Emi o tebe. Ime bi no ki we mi ye. Ibe ti o wa ni be to mi obi me. Awora go lapa. O ya se ba e.
La. E de gbe ila wa na. Kuta owe ro wa na de gbe ila ma.
Agwa e ma ge e ba. Image no do die ogo lapa ya. E o. Ya he ki ona he.
Idiot. Ago. Aya. Swala dia.
Let me come out.
Ai mama dey.
Ije ba suwa. Buja lanya.
Ma wo wa down. Ma ya su gbo ni.
Ya he ke so yin.
Big dog lady sauce. Don't believe. Go back to you.
Koi. Ago. Iyaju je o ni.
Yes.
Ege dele gbe fi we la wa na. We tama won. Lare. Iwu gbe me na wa gbu ni ye ni. Ki made. Iwu akin. We are the boy at ni me o na me wo he me ni. I just go try it. Them no way. See that root nye. I don't want more. No, but no, no, way. Let's say put on perceive no. Or do I go to you mad? Eh? Okay. No problem.
Black question.
Wow, you are black question. And now what's you are? No, it's like they don't know that I'm the phone of this house now. Morgan, one I have a first say. Morgan, oh no. Oh. Ya khiane mo pa ikewa me no come ya lu I want sa ago ne ha the result we you wanna da na do mi oton
Good evening. Welcome to Bright Obakbelo TV News. I'm Ege Jennifer Uwayemi. You are welcome to Comprehensive News. The federal government has approved the total sum of 20 billion naira in recruiting the federal road that leads to annual local government council. A baby was beheaded at Ive Crescent off Imagbe Street, Uwa Quarter, at the back of Iwo Market. 2 robbery gang suspects have been caught by the police patrol team while they were patrolling around the Benin Metropole at about 11:50 p.m. Before today, we want Mrs. Imade Esse's compound. We take you over now to Ise Idemudia for more details.
At about 11:50 p.m. yesterday night, while the men of the patrol team were on their duty, they received a call from this daughter of one Mrs. Imade Esse as she calls for rescue from an armed robbery gang attack taking place in their house. As the first men burst into the scene of crime, they truly came across suspected gunmen with firearms lying down this Mrs. Imade and her gateman, while they succeeded in apprehending 2 of the gangs who claimed to be Egumeda Ekato, the male, and Becky Bensi, the female, as the rest of the gang were still able to escape with the money they took from this woman.
Jesus! Hey, Hello. Sawana me. Umi ngi baba na. Switch la Bright Obakbelo TV. Bright Obakbelo TV na. Nuge. Ogun adano gwe me ni obi amome. Ya show we can wash. Eya wa show na we zege atemu ni. Keke ge ni na gba mu ya we deri o. Zege. Okay.
We don't come for this latest. My name is Ise Idemudia. Moko ask this armed robber who don't cash. Moko ask her how they did they go the robbery. My brother, what will be your name?
My name na
Talk, good media. What will be your name?
My name na
Bumedia Ikato.
Wait till carry you enter this armed robber. Wait, did you rob some?
I never rob once. I never fed thief.
Okay, you never first thief. This thing what we see for grand. Wait till be this one. This one not be gone.
No, be me the user.
Not be you the user. Okay, now your hand will see him. How will take him for your hand? You say you know the scene of the crime. Have you not be so?
Yes.
Not be waiting you talk.
Yes. Sir.
Good. See, let me tell you something. Police is your friend.
I know, sir.
In case you don't know. Are you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Now, they don't catch you for that woman's house where people say they go rob. As they go rob now, they won't catch you for there. You don't find you go there.
No, sir.
Have you not be so?
Yes, sir.
Now, what you want to tell us now?
Now we are for the sleep. Now they are for see me.
Who's best Oga?
Now this lady Oga.
This lady Oga?
Yes.
Now carry you go where we rob.
As he carry me reach there now, he say me they not beat me. He come put gun for my hand. As he put gun for my hand, he say me I follow them go get it, they go this night. As they reach there, me they just bail up the woman. As they bail up the woman, and then police you come. Police you come in before I know they all run. Now they hold me. I not do anything. I not do anything, sir. Now kidnap, now some boys kidnap me. So as I want to go find where I want to sleep. Now I see the Oga. Now the Oga carry me. He put gun for my hand.
My brother, see police is your friend.
I know, sir.
Good. Talk true. May government help you.
Okay, sir.
All this one way they talk, I know they crime, I know be thief, but they catch you for the scene of the crime. Have you not been so?
Yes, sir.
You don't find it go there. If you talk true now, personally, I will help you. You'll come up for that thing. Just tell us the truth, sir. How many times you don't go robbing?
You don't know that my uncle has the one for go rob. I see my uncle now. I can't see my uncle wife for outside. Police your uncle, they carry me. Now I can see myself for here. I never robbed before. Believe me, Oga, believe me. I never robbed before.
As you never talk true now, how do you feel now? Where everybody they see you, where people say you there for everywhere they see you. How do you feel now, my brother?
I don't feel say I feel good because my friends they look me. All my friends they look me. I never robbed before all of them. My mommy and my daddy they village.
No worry. I
know you before. I know you before.
I come here for us, sir.
You now. What's the worry? It's because I'm concerned. They worry.
Itai. That means we're gonna run here. Can you give me one? Yes. That's good.
Young lady, I beg carry your hair up. May they see your face. May they see you well. My sister, what is your name? Your name is Becky. Remember, I said police are your friends. Just tell us everything. What happened? Who carry you enter this work? What you say they do?
Okay, which work?
Why they ask me which work? This in my house they get them. See pa, see so. See, so when they rob people, they ask me which work. See, cut to size everything. It's here. Tell us how the thing be. Who carry you enter this work, my sister?
Okay, wait. Nobody carry me enter. Nobody carry me enter.
Nobody carry you enter. Okay, how can they get all this in? Where you know this man?
I tell people be saying at this point, I they bring the runs they come.
They
bring the runs come. Well, they go rob.
Me know you before. I know you before.
See, they worry you now. You don't know be talk truth now. The police say yes, so me for leave us, me they for bail us.
No, you don't know me. You don't know me.
You don't know me.
I don't know before.
Why you dey lie now? Why you dey lie? Come here, why you dey lie? Okay, now you bring the runs come.
Okay. Now, how many times don't go rob you before?
Now 3 times so. Now if they bring the runs they come.
Me?
Now you now.
I know you before.
Touch me again. I don't understand. You
don't. It's okay. My friend.
Introduce me.
See, listen to me. Listen, police your friend, right? As you talk through so, me and the last person when they talk through. You understand? As you talk through so, we go leave you, we not go touch you. But you will not talk through. You, this your hand.
Where they? Boy, a cut me where now tie cut. Yes.
The time when they catch you now, play the part this one. Where the rest?
Okay, me don't know where the rest pass.
You don't know where the rest pass?
Me don't know.
Oh.
The only thing where I know say, now this guy they bring the information where be say me with the take go the thief.
Okay, now they bring the information when I take the thief.
Yes.
And I hear say, una carry plenty money. Where the money dey?
The money that I said they carry around though.
Who can carry around?
I don't know carry around, but me know say now this guy they bring information, but then you go tell us say big money they that has.
Oh, good way. I the like person where they talk true. You understand? So they rob. Your mind won't tell you say one day they go catch you.
Oga, me no say one day they go catch me. I know, say they will catch me one day. Bad as it bad. Now we that they say if they hold the bad thing. You understand? Now we not that they talk say if they commit crime because they see gun for our hand. And people just the way they use barrel, say they rob where they say man, they not see and they not still catch them. You understand? So bad as it bad. I feel bad. Where I did so. I want to free me. You understand? Want to free me. And secondly, I want smoke. Make my head for calm down.
Where?
You understand?
No problem. We go buy you cigar. Viewers. You see? Every day for the thief, one day for the owner. We will try our best. Anywhere they day. Tifo, no Tifo. We be say they didn't make us know the rest. Everywhere. We go to bring the police station. Although they said they plenty part this one. But government will try to bring all of them to make sure we catch them. To tell them say we say we did try.
That's good. Hey, yes.
These people, we charge them to court. Court will decide. Thank you very much. My name remains Ise Idemudia. Thank you.
The area commander officer has promised to trace the rest members of the gang to bring them to book, and is also appealing to the society to please help the police with a useful information of any suspected terrorists in the environment, as this will help the police in doing well and much of their job in fishing out those terrorizing the society, as the two suspects will now be charged to court. Ise Idemudia reporting from Obapolo TV News.
Idemudia for more details. The federal government has approved a sum of 20 billion naira in recruiting the federal road that leads to annual local government council. I remain a gay Jennifer for thanks.
Jesus, have mercy for me, oh. Oh, my daughter is very young, oh. Hey, 6 months, it was 6 months, why did you have to
Shut up your mouth.
And you also aware the brother promised to give you 20 million.
My lord, this is a case of robbery, social robbery. I had nothing to do with the enigmatic words.
Of course, don't prompt to say you are not called to bar. I was called to bar in 1968, right?
What they are doing, let me know who are the
The turbulent heart has given room for an adjournment because it serves as an embarrassment to this court.
Yeah, my people, what's up? How are they now, man? We still at the matter, that the location we did so. This is now my producer.